To understand the dependency injection container in Symfony, the first place that we need to look is at our services.yml files. Now, we just created one of those for our dependency injection container in our Symfony project, but Drupal uses that same pattern as well. In fact, there are multiple services.yml files that are prefixed with the name of a module or of a component. So if we do a quick search of file names, now I'm using the keyboard shortcut here, Command-Shift-O, in order to search file names. You can see at the very top here, we have various services and then a number.yml files. But if we look, these all have something to do with tests. So we can ignore these and continue to scroll down. And here's where the actual services.yml files start that are used when Drupal is running normally. So you can see they're all called services.yml, but then they're prefixed with the name of the module in these cases. And if we continue to go, I just double-clicked the ellipse to continue to show results. You'll continue to see the various services.yml files. Now I'm going to open up core.services.yml so we can take a look at it. So if the dependency injection container forms a backbone to Drupal 8, then this core.services.yml file is really the backbone of that backbone. You can see if we scroll and you look at the scroll bar that this is a really extensive file. There's a lot of services here. The structure, though, should be very familiar to you. If we look, we have the services key, which we had in our other dependency injection container services.yml file. And inside of these are various services that are being defined. This is Cache Factory, that's the name of the service. The object that it instantiates is an instance of the class Drupal core cache factory. And it takes one argument. The arguments are wrapped in these brackets so there can be more than one. And it's a reference to another service inside of this dependency injection container. You can tell because of this @ symbol. And then when this gets instantiated, it's going to make a set of calls, in this case just one, to the setContainer method, and it's going to get passed in another reference to another service inside of the dependency injection container called service container. And if we continue to go down this, the pattern is really the same. We didn't see this tags item before, but we can tell what the structure is. It's a simple array, and then inside of that simple array is an associative array, and it has just one item in it.